Hi, my name is Kristen Holt. I'm the Innovative Electrification Specialist at 4County Electric Membership Corporation. So we have a 100 kW community solar array in Garland, North Carolina. It's 352 panels that were installed by Cape Fear Solar Systems. We have had plenty of wind storms here lately. I don't know if y'all have noticed that. Then we also had the snowstorm and an ice storm. So there's been a lot of all over the map weather. The system has fared very well. In fact, it has produced more than it was initially designed for. So it's a nice little cherry on top. I definitely think it's very important for other utilities to provide a community solar, some type of accessibility to solar energy. There's a lot of interest in it, but unfortunately not everybody has access to installing it directly at their home. Another thing, people could rent if they're renting a home or if they're at an apartment. This is a long-term solution for those members.